Half year ago, another war started. Yes, not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Exactly 184 days. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, April the 8th, 2024. Not so good news because we have only three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. So in this newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. Um, yeah, and I've told you earlier. I won't do the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper or the day before because those puzzles are very easy to solve. It's waste. It's a waste of time to upload it. But if there are any requests, just post it uh, in the comments, and maybe if have the time, then I will solve the requested puzzle. But first, let me start with the first one. The 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8. I believe 8. Three. Where's my newspaper? 8 3 2 3. Yeah. 8 3 2 3. All right. 8 3 2 3. Am I correct? Well, we'll see. And before I start, I always count. No, 8 3 2 4. Correction. Correction. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because usually the 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. But for 3 stars puzzle, usually 25 printed digits or 2 digits more. Well, question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column, the only place level 7 should be there. Then, let me see. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next on last column, the only place level 8 should be there. We have 8 there, okay. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column 3, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 4, 4. Need 8 here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, need 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third one, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Wait. 6, 6. 6, 6. So we need a 6 there. Well, Six missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 place level 6 should be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the first row, no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright. Need 1 here. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. You see another 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the only place left 1 should be here. 5 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this column could be here, could be there. Here and there, we see another 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then, let me see. 4, 4, okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and the 7 in the last row, so no 4 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1. Alright. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then, let me see. 7. Need a 7 here. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then, let me see. I need a 9 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 4. We have 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So 2 boxes left for the 4 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. We see another 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. With all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. How about the 4? Nope, the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this box. 7 in this row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 7. Alright. Now. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 here. Well, in this column, third column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. So the 9 in the third column could be here, here, or there. You see another 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. So the only place level 9 should be there. 999. 99. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 2 and 3. Come on. 2 and 3. 3 and the 5. What I'm missing here. 5. 2 and the 3. Come on. 2 and 3. Yeah. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. First column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in the first column. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing now. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 now in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 now in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. And the final, oh no, 2 and a 3, we have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this second row. No 1 there. 1 should be, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.